allowing us to cross the $50,000 per month milestone in under 3 months. Have the exact blueprint that will take you from zero experience to business mastery without having to lift a finger. Benefit from the skills and knowledge of the most amazing minds to have walked the earth. 100% success rate. No trial and error, just an ironclad system that works. Easily replicate the model to start multiple agencies and scale profits to upwards of $100,000 per month. Absolutely no experience needed whatsoever. Mind-bogglingly simple method. Zero upfront cost. The best part is I have absolutely no business background. And I had never created a single piece of content in my entire life before this. But I am now able to create content for high-ticket clients. And have become indispensable to them. With zero capital and no relevant skills, I managed to outshine the most seasoned content creators. Because I had something that they didn't. Want to know what that something is? The start of something incredible. For the next couple of weeks, I was like a child with a new toy. I could not stop using ChatGPT. I could create mind-blowing content. And with the graphics generation feature that soon followed, I could create the most stunning content. I quickly developed the confidence that I could offer these services. I could set up my business and quit my god-awful job. But I encountered one last hurdle. But what went wrong? Look, while my friend was simply blown away by the visuals and the quality of copywriting. He was not happy because the information was not up to date. That is when I realized something. The AI models have their limitations. I looked around and discovered that Google had created an app of its own that was way better at providing updated information. After all, it was built on top of the Google search engine. The Google Bard. The problem was, I could not switch to Bard. Simply because it could not match the generation capabilities of ChatGPT. And then there was Bing AI. That had its own strengths. And its own weaknesses. The moment of epiphany. It happened when I was driving back from home one day. Thinking about how I came so close to achieving my dreams. How the technology is out there but just won't come together for things to work. At that moment, I wished for an app that could bring together all the existing apps into one. And then, the moment of epiphany. You see, if you recall, I was a professional programmer. And I knew a thing or two about creating apps. That was it. I knew I had to create an app that could bring together the strengths of ChatGPT, Google Bard, and Bing AI. A combination of these apps into one would result in the most powerful app in the AI space. After all, it would bring together the work of the top minds at OpenAI, Google, and Microsoft. The resulting app was mind-blowing. Creating and putting the new app to test. After months of work, I finally managed to combine the top AI apps into one. The result? An app that would offer the most up-to-date information on any topic imaginable to mankind. The content generation? Out of this world. Using this new app, I could set up my business in no time. The best part? This app didn't just create the most gripping content. It also took me by the hand on how to generate quality leads, onboard clients, and deliver projects. Within 2 months I had exceeded my job income and put in my notice. Over the next 6 months, I replicated this model and managed to bring my revenue to over $50,000 a month. Here is what AvatoAI can do. Document processing. Extract and manipulate text from text files or PDFs. Perform tasks such as searching for specific strings, replacing content, and converting text to different formats. Machine learning. Utilize Python's machine learning libraries for predictions, clustering, natural language processing, and image recognition by uploading. Versatile and broad use cases. An incredibly diverse range of applications. From creating inspirational art to modeling scientific scenarios, to designing novel game elements, and more. Customizable outputs. Lets you create custom visual content by inputting a simple text prompt. The owl will generate an image based on your provided description, enhancing the creativity and efficiency of your work. Stable Diffusion API. Enrich your image generation to unprecedented heights. Stable Diffusion API provides a fine balance of quality and speed for the diffusion process, ensuring faster and more reliable results. Multilingual support. Generate captivating visuals based on prompts in multiple languages. Set the panorama parameter to yes and watch as our API stitches together images to create breathtaking wide-angle views. Variation for creative freedom. Embrace creative diversity with the variation parameter. Introduce controlled randomness to your generated images, allowing for a spectrum of unique outputs. Efficient image analysis. Save time and resources with automated image analysis. The feature allows the AI to sift through bulk volumes of images and sort out vital details or tags that are valuable to your context. Advanced recognition. The Vision API integration recognizes prominent elements in images, objects, faces, text, and even emotions or actions. Visualize data. Create colorful, informative, and accessible graphs and charts from your data right within the chat. Interpret complex data with visual aids, making data analysis a breeze. Manipulate images. Want to demonstrate the raw power of image manipulation? Upload an image, and watch as our AI performs transformations, like resizing, filtering, rotating, and much more. Live in the chat. Generate visual content. Creating and viewing visual content has never been easier. Generate images, simple or complex, right within your conversation. Preview data transformation. If you're working with image data, you can demonstrate live how certain transformations or operations will change your images. This can be particularly useful for fields like data augmentation in machine learning or image editing in digital graphics. Effortless communication. Say goodbye to static text as our innovative technology crafts natural-sounding voices. Choose from a variety of male and female voice types to tailor the auditory experience, adding a dynamic layer to your content and making communication more effortless and enjoyable. Enhanced accessibility. Break barriers and reach a wider audience. Our text-to-speech feature enhances accessibility by converting written content into audio, ensuring inclusivity and understanding for all users. Customization options. Tailor the audio output to suit your brand or project needs. From tone and pitch to language preferences, our text-to-speech feature offers customizable options for a truest personalized experience. Imagine everything you want to create and scale your content business. AvatoAI has eliminated everything that made me feel hesitant to start a business. I managed to create multiple agencies while knowing absolutely nothing about business, management, client handling, and content creation. All making well over $10,000 a month in revenue. How is it so powerful? The power of AvatoAI comes from the nature of AI. You see, AI works by studying existing content and then refining it to make it better. Do you know what that means? It means that AvatoAI stands on the shoulders of ancient and modern-day geniuses. It packs Picasso's creativity, Gary Vee's business sense, David Ogilvy's copywriting, and more into one app. Imagine having a 24/7 assistant that could combine the knowledge of the top minds on any subject. That is AvatoAI for you. This must cost a fortune. Well, it doesn't. Look, it is impossible to put a price tag on AvatoAI. How do you put a price tag on something that helps you fulfill your wildest dreams? That helps you get out of the rut you've been stuck in. That lets you enjoy a life of personal and professional freedom doing what you love. And with the people you love. But this was always about starting a business without having any capital. And while it has taken years of work to create this app, it will just defeat the purpose if I offer it to you for thousands of dollars. So, I am not going to do that. I am not going to charge you an arm and a leg for this. Still thinking? What are you worried about? The prospect of losing $15? Let's do the classic weighing the pros against the cons here. The worst case scenario here is you lose $15. That means you eat in one day or skip that Starbucks coffee one morning and you make up for that loss. But what if this works? What if, like so many others, you are able to achieve the life of your dreams? The best case scenario here is that you'll be able to achieve everything you have ever dreamed of. It means you'll be able to quit that soul-sucking 9 to 5. It means that sipping cocktails on beaches cliché will become a reality for you. There is nothing like this out there. And I doubt you'll ever get an opportunity that is as easy and as fail-proof as this. Remember, the clock is ticking. I will have to either close registrations or increase the price to more than $300 a month at the very least. Don't wait to regret it later. Feeling frustrated about losing the opportunity to transform your life for less than $20? Frequently asked question. Q. How can AvatoAI help me start my content creation business? A. AvatoAI is the most complete app for creating engaging content, including copywriting, generating visuals, and marketing strategies. Q. Do I need any design experience to use the graphics generator? A. Not at all. All you have to do is enter a prompt for what you are seeking and you will receive stunning graphics. Q. Can AvatoAI assist me in creating a website and improving its visibility on search engines? A. Absolutely. Receive step-by-step guidance on setting up your business website and then optimize it for search engines. Q. Is there a feature to help me manage and scale my team as my business grows? A. Absolutely. Ask AvatoAI for guidance on how to scale and manage your team and business to receive the exact blueprint. Q. How much can I earn through AvatoAI? A. The sky is the limit. Once you successfully create and scale one agency, you can continue to replicate that model for ever-growing revenue and success.